Right, y'all, two random things I love about owning chickens is they're always at room temperature. Like I'm about to bake a cake and I don't have to get it fridge egg out and let it warm up. They're always ready. Actually, if you catch them fresh, they're dang hot. And another super random thing I like about having chickens is like I looked on the counter, I was out of eggs. My kids wanted to go to their friend's house and play. I said, if y'all want to go, you gotta go to the coop and collect me some eggs. So they came back with 5 eggs and now we can bake this cake.